Now guys, I will show you how to work with zip in for cycle. What does it mean? Zip is how to work with two lists in for cycle. So you can imagine that you have two lists. For example, names. I will put here Peter, Eve, and Charles, okay? And the second list will be ages. So Peter will be 25, Eve 30, for example, Charles 28, okay? So Peter, this is his age, Eva, her age, Charles, his age, okay? And we would like to use it in the for cycle. Like we would like to print the sentences like Peter is 25 years old, Eve is 30 years old, Charles is 28 years old. And how to do that? We can connect these two lists together and we need to use zip. So, for example, I will use the for cycle, and here it's up to me how I name it. I will put here name and age, okay? Be careful, not names, ages, only name and age. But it should be X, Y, for example, if you want. It's completely up to you, okay? And now, how we will solve it? Maybe you will write something like names, comma, ages, okay? And you will print some F string, okay? Like name, it will be, for example, Peter is age 25 years old, and we can check if this will work. I will run it. Oh, and you can see there is an error, value error, too many values. So it means we have too many values here. So we need to connect these two lists together. And how we will make it? We will use zip. So it means you will put here zip like this, and now it should work fine. Peter is 25 years old, Eve is 30 years old, Charles is 28 years old. Okay? Only for clarity, I will run it again. Now you can see it clearly. Okay, so perfect. So now we know how to use a zip function.